Control you make it higher.
Okay.
Just put them in the oil, not on the side. Then you mix white on the tree, green and the red pepper and the salt. Yes. Okay.
I got it. It's okay. I got it quite good.
It's for crunchy chicken. It's okay. Okay. Green sauce and water. High a bit now. A little bit of water.
Oh yeah, a little water. Oh yeah.
That's going my throat. Now,
Oh
What do you got there, man?
okay, now bean and pepper and salt. We make vegetarian pad kapao. Vegetarian style. Mix and sauce and water a little bit. Mix it up. It's okay. We have juice and water. Remember. Now, actually, the whole thing is okay. A little water. Get in there and mix. Move that. It's gonna burn. If you gas something, you quite slow, you have to turn the gas down. You know, otherwise getting too hot. Turn the gas off, you're going to move away if you want to. Smell the chili.
Good.
Okay, now this is it. Look at that. You can turn the gas off. Some people like to dry, like some people like to juicy, they like to juicy, they add more water or vegetable stock, whatever you have, you know. And then you can add. ผัดกระเพราเจ vegan ผัดกระเพรา It was popping. That's it. Now time to eat.
How many you go eat?
Yeah.